If you've watched our videos, you know that we love to grill at the camp and do not necessarily love a dirty grill. I mean, making our hands hurt from scrubbing this grill? No thanks. We've reviewed quite a few different camping gadgets in the past, and this time we're going to try something new which we think is a must-have for grill owners who hate cleanup. And as you can see, yep, we are looking at the Grillion Electric Grill Brush. Now, if you go on Amazon right now, it's absolutely filled with grill cleaners like this. Electric, non-electric, all kinds of designs claiming to make your camp chores easier. So the big question is, does this one actually stand out? Let's open it up to see what we get. Opening the box, we have our main cordless Grillion handle unit, which has a built-in battery and a soap dispenser. So it is portable and convenient for camping or tailgating without losing any pieces. Next, we have two different brush attachments, a chain brush and a wire brush. We'll get into why there are two in just a second. Here's a user manual and a USB-C charging cable. This is the bottle for its soap dispensing function. We appreciate that all of this comes packed inside a really nice storage case, very portable indeed. And this is probably the best feature we get with the Grillion, the integrated soap dispenser. Not many grill cleaners on the market offer this, and we think it's very convenient because we don't have to pause to grab a separate spray bottle. Everything we need is built right into the unit. Let's see this dispenser in action. We just hit this button and it sprays just like that. See? Here's a closer look at the display where we can monitor the battery life and our active modes, and this is the toggle we use to cycle through them. And here is our Type-C charging port. Let's get this brush head attached. We just unlock the housing here, pop this piece out, seat our brush attachment, put the assembly back and lock it into place. And look at this guard. This is what's going to keep the grease and splatter from ruining our clothes while we work. This piece is removable, but when we're putting it back together, we have to make sure this metal bracket is seated perfectly in its slot, or else we're going to have a tough time locking the brush heads in. Once that bracket is lined up and the heads are perfectly centered, it should be quite easy for us to snap it together. Practice makes perfect. And this is how we secure the bottle. Just open the slot and lock it in with a quick turn. Also, a quick mention, you can always buy these brush heads separately on Amazon. Both the wire and chain versions are available. So even if they get a bit worn down after our outdoor cookout sessions for, I don't know, maybe hundreds of times, we can just swap in a fresh pair. All right, enough of us sitting around showing you the hardware. Let's get it to work. To put this through its paces, here is our grill, which we haven't touched since yesterday. We did some chicken on here, and you can see the crusty aftermath. Will this be able to pull it off? Let's find out. Look at that! The moment we bring this up against the dirty grates, it really starts eating through that burnt-on residue without us having to put in much physical effort. It's more of a guide and let it work situation for us rather than scrubbing like crazy. We do recommend warming up the grill just a bit before starting the process. Look at that! It actually works! We are running the chain brush right now. Now we're going to switch over to the wire head to really detail these corners. Hitting the edges now, and it's doing a pretty decent job. So check this out. This is what the grill looked like before we started, and this is the result after just a few minutes of cleaning. Not bad at all. What do you guys think? We think we did a pretty good job cleaning. And as we're done with it, you can see how much battery is remaining. Battery at 89%. Now, we did fully charge the device before using, and after our grill cleaning sessions, the charge has only fallen 11%. Now, once we're finished, it's time to clean the attachments. We'll just rinse the brush heads under running water, but they are also completely dishwasher safe. Honestly, one thing we really appreciate here is that we can clean these heads very easily by dunking them into a bowl of soapy water. Give them a quick swish around, and the grease and grime come right off without much struggle. Just make sure we don't submerge the main power handle in water and avoid using any harsh chemicals on the electronics. So, if you are done with elbow grease scrubbing and this is something that interests you, we will leave a link down in the description so you can check it out. So tell us, what are your thoughts on the Grillion? Is this a camping essential for your setup or just a nice to have? Let us know down in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you. Also, while you're down there, if you have a different gear recommendation, let us know. Be sure to smash that like button if you found this helpful, drop a comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews to level up your outdoor cooking game. As always, thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch you in the next one.